Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for the headphones HUAWEI FreeBuds 5 on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write HUAWEI AI. Then search and install HUAWEI AI Live application. Now open it. Choose your country. Then click Next, Next, Agree, Allow. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.